In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a folder out of a folder in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Google account because you'll need access to your files. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you might see a variety of folders and files laid out for you. Next, we need to locate the parent folder. This is the folder that contains the subfolder you wish to move. So go ahead and click on that parent folder to open it up. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the contents. Once you're inside the parent folder, you'll want to find the specific subfolder that you want to relocate. This part is straightforward. Simply click on the folder to highlight it. You'll notice that it gets slightly darker, indicating that it has been selected. Now we're moving on to the next step, which involves accessing the Move menu. Look towards the top bar of the Google Drive window. You should see an icon that looks like a folder with an arrow pointing to the right. This is the Move icon. Go ahead and click on that. If you're having trouble finding it, just remember it's often located near the other action buttons like Share and Delete. After clicking the Move icon, a new window or sidebar will pop up. This is where you will choose the destination for your folder. At the top of this window, you should see an option labeled My Drive. Clicking on My Drive will essentially allow you to move your subfolder to the highest level directory in your Google Drive, making it easier to access in the future. Once you've selected My Drive, the next step is to confirm the move. Take a look at the bottom of the pane that just opened, and you'll find a button that says Move. Click on this button to initiate the transfer. And finally, to make sure everything went smoothly, keep an eye out for a small pop-up notification. This pop-up will confirm that the folder has been successfully moved to your main directory. It's a little reassuring message letting you know that your action was successful. To wrap it up, you now know how to move a folder out of a folder in Google Drive, from accessing your drive to selecting the right folder and finally confirming the move. It's a simple process that can help keep your files organized exactly the way you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.